It's nice to be near you.
It's nice to have you near me too.
I prefer the kitchen to the bedroom. I want to stop here and love you.
You are awesome.
I will bother you in the kitchen.
I will enjoy being bothered by you.
You're going to get more kisses in the kitchen.
Your kiss is amazing. I've been enjoying it for the past 2 days. It's coming together nicely.
Smells amazing.
I feel like giving you a good kiss right now. Let me give you one.
I'm standing here expecting that too. Kiss me quickly. This character of yours is what I like the most about you. I don't have to come over there and love you. You can come over here and love me. Like this, always. When you feel like loving, you should love without hesitation. And don't wait to love after I love you.
I love you.
Don't stop with 1 or 2 kisses. Sometimes I may not love you back due to many problems. Those kisses of yours will help me solve my problems the next day. I like that too. I'll love you without asking you.
I know you will.
I'll take care of everything for you. I will always do this.
I love you. I like that too. I will love you without asking. I will take care of everything for you. I will be the one who puts on your shirt every day.
I love you.
I will love when I feel like loving. You should love when you feel like loving. Both of you don't have to have that same feeling at the same time.
That means so much.
Always.
We have to go on many trips, but only we know about those trips. And the photos we take during that time should be for us to see only.
I love that idea. Just for us.
If we share them to show others, our trip may be harmful to other family. Because not everyone can be like everyone else.
Yes, I understand.
Now let's make some food.
No, let's stay like this for a little longer.
Standing like this, I think you like it a lot.
Yes, I really like it to be together like this. When you hold me tight like this, I feel more and more like I belong to you.
Then you can hold it tightly.
I love you so much.
That.
It's easy with you here. It's coming together nicely.
Smells amazing.
Almost ready.
Here, have this.